Getting started on a cabbage soup. I got half the cabbage chopped up and put in the crock pot. I got a can of diced tomatoes. I got some little onions. And there's going to be a few more ingredients. I got some chopped onion I'm going to go ahead and put in the pot. And we got some seasonings. We got salt-free seasoning, thyme leaves. I'm going to put some garlic pepper seasoning in it. I'm going to put a half a can of diced tomatoes in. I'm going to save the other half to make another batch. Let's put a little, probably about I guess that's around a teaspoon or a tablespoon of garlic pepper seasoning, and I'm going to throw in some thyme leaves, and I'm going to need a little bit more than that. Okay, about I don't know, let me look about a teaspoon. Here's some salt-free seasoning. You want your cabbage soup full of flavor. I'm going to put a generous amount of that in it. Get some more water in. You want to make sure you got plenty of water. Try not to overflow it. Gonna carefully stir. Now after you got it stirred up as best you can, we'll go ahead and put the lid on. It's about 10 a.m. and this is gonna be slow cooking all day, and we'll check it later on tonight. So I let the cabbage stew cook for 10 hours yesterday. I cut it off. I let it go from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. I cut it off. I don't like leaving the crock pot on at night. I got up around 7. I put it on at 7 this morning, and I strained some out of it. And I got it over here in a pot. I put ketchup and some water in it. So I'll be straining the rest of it out. Then I'm going to leave all that juice in, all the spicy seasoning, for a second batch for a cabbage soup. So you can say this is a depression meal or a struggle meal. It's a depression or struggle meal. You got something to eat, at least.